Hello crafters, thank you for tuning in to another Crafter's Corner. Today's project is customizing and decorating paper lanterns. The materials needed are here. Deconstructed flowers. I have a paper plate here used for my palette. Absolutely a glue gun, a cup of water for your paintbrushes, scissors, always. And today we're using an acrylic paint. As you can see, it's been used. You can use watercolor, but acrylic is better. And of course, assemble a paper lantern. Let's get started. Okay, so to get started, you want to deconstruct those flowers as I did here, and I just laid them here on the table so they're ready. You want to assemble your paper lantern. Paper lanterns look complicated, but they're very easy, as I will take this one apart. That just slides out, so you slide that small part in. Be sure that it lines up with the hole up top, and you just push that one down, and that one, and it's assembled. It's really easy, and it will help our project go pretty smoothly. Okay, so the first part of the project is actually drawing our tree. Now, I must admit, I'm not much of a painter, but as you see, I did this one earlier with a little instruction, and it came out pretty well, so we're going to do this one together. So you take your paintbrush and just dip it in the water a bit. Your acrylic paint is on the palette already, and so you just give it a good mix there. Okay. And while I'm mixing the paint, I want to show you that sometimes assembling these paper lanterns, they're pretty delicate, and you can punch a hole in it, as I did right here. Not to worry, we can cover that and it will look good as new. So if you have any paper lanterns at home and you don't have the heart to throw them away, here's a great project. Okay, so we have our paint ready, and so now we just determine what type of tree, or not the type of tree, but the design in which you want to add the tree. So I like to start from the bottom, and there's really no way to mess up this project. So you take the end of your brush and just begin to stroke upwards. And you want the bottom to be a little thicker, as a tree trunk is thicker, right? And then you just begin to make your line. And as you see here, I've painted on the tree branches, and now we will just assemble the flowers. And it's really easy. Now, I want to bet you want to have the scissors. Well, as you deconstruct the flowers, sometimes these are too long. These little plastic parts here are too long. So all you have to do, you can do one of two things. You can puncture the lantern and stick it in, stick it with the hot glue. Or what I do is just cut off that little piece there, and then let's assemble our first flower. So let's try this branch right here. All right, we'll add the hot glue. And I need to just hold this back, because as you see, the glue runs a bit. And you just hold that flower in place. And sometimes if you want the petals open, just hold them open with your fingers. Give the glue just a few moments to set. And when it does, there you go. I'll do just a couple more so that you can see how it's done. And here we are. These are the flowers, and these are just amazing pieces. these lanterns decorated with flowers would be a great accent to any decor. Remember, if you like our products and would like to learn how to receive wholesale prices at the #1 wholesale marketplace platform, click the subscribe button and leave a message. Thanks for watching. See you next time.